meter the diamond. I'm measuring MOSFET. This one on my left hand side is a 40 MOSFET. This is the replacement of it. So let's show you the good one first. Nothing here. No change. No change. 0.5. No change. Now I measure on the left hand side. See here? There's a difference. So this MOSFET is shorted. Centered. Completely centered. Shorted. You can see again. Once more. And soldering the new MOSFET onto the board. This is the one new MOSFET. Yeah. So now I'm plugging a battery. Now I can test my tool. But we can tell here it's working now.